Okay, let's take a look at how to insert data into our table. Come over here and create a. Get that to come down. There we go. Delete that. Make this a little bit bigger. And there we go. So drop on a text view there. Actually, we go over here. Drop on a plain text next to it. Text view. Plain text. And text view in plain text. That's probably enough. And I need a button. Okay, let's come over to main activity. And let's see. First, let me put my button in there. What do I want to call it? Public void button click insert. View V alt-enter. And I don't want that one. I want this first one. Okay. And let's see. What am I gonna edit text? Yes. And we bring in edit underscore first name, edit underscore last name, edit underscore age. Okay, alt-enter to import those libraries. Let me come back over to here. What did I say? First name, last name, and age. Okay. So this one, first name. This one, last name. And this one, age. I guess that's fine, leave it where it was. I'm going to give these names and get rid of that text in them. I'll call this TF underscore F name. Call this one TF underscore last name. TF underscore age. The button, I'm going to have it say insert. And on click, I'll choose button insert, button click insert. Okay, so I also want string first name and last name, so I'm going to bring those in, and integer age. And let's see. Edit name is equal to edit text. Find view by ID r dot ID dot TF. Yeah, TF underscore first name. Except for that's coming as an edit text. So I guess I want that as there. Edit underscore F name. There. Probably didn't need to have those defined separate, but edit last name, edit text, find view by ID r dot ID dot TF last name. Edit underscore age is equal to edit text find view by ID r dot ID dot TF underscore age. Okay, so those are now brought in there. I want to put them to F name is equal to edit underscore f name dot get text dot toString. Last name is equal to edit underscore last name dot get text dot toString. And h is equal to integer dot parse int add underscore h dot get text dot toString. Okay, so now I've brought those in. I want to come over to my my app here, Java window, and I don't want to drop it in. This is right here, where the main activity is. I'm going to right click on that and choose New Java Class, and I'll call this, maybe this is members. Member. Like I got a club of some sort, a health club. Okay, so I get over here, public class member. Think private string f name. How about first underscore name? Private string last underscore name, and private inth. Now I need a constructor here, so if I right click on this now and choose generate, and then choose constructor, and choose my first one, and then click OK, that'll create a default constructor for me. Now if I right click here and choose generate and choose getter and setters, and then hold down my shift key and select the last field and click OK, it'll drop on all my gets and sets. So then if I come over to main activity, up here right after the definition of public class main activity, I'm going to put a database reference in here. Database reference. REF, I wonder if that's reserved word. REFF. And then, let's see, I'll declare member up here. Although I could do it right here. So then I want to create a new instance. So member is equal to new member. That's creates our instance. And then member, member dot set first name, David. Member dot set last name, Hayes. And member dot set age, 54. And see, I need to create my reference to the FireBase. So this is what kind of makes that connection. So FireBase database dot get instance dot get reference dot child equals no. Couldn't remember. And now if I do ref dot, you see how there's different items. Specifically push is a database reference. Get parent, set priority, set value, update children. So a lot of different ones there. But I want to push out that record. So I'll do a set value. And here's where I'm going to pass in that instance of that object we just created. Okay. And then I want to some kind of message to say it works. So make text main activity dot this. What's the next one? Oh yeah, string. Don't remember that saying that, but inserted record, comma toast dot length long, and then dot what is this? To show or show. Okay, so now let me think if I forgot anything. Did remember, did that. Okay, let me run it. Okay, go back here, set my constraints. Now run it. I keep waiting for it to pop up, and I know it doesn't pop up. David Hayes, 54. Insert, and it says inserted record. I change that to something else. Not in Windows. Why do I keep wanting to do like that? Frank Smith, 20. And click insert. It says inserted record. Okay. Now back over here. Now, if you don't have this currently up and running, you go to your console, and you'll see a project. You come to the database, and I don't really know why on this. Somehow I created a Cloud Firestore also along with the real time. If I go to real time, you see member down here. This member corresponds with the let's see, corresponds with this name right here. So if you wanted to call it something different, then that's where you change that. And the little m doesn't have anything to do with it. When I say the dot child, that's taking this instance here and creating a child. Now if I expand this, you see first record I did. If I expand that, I probably got some code wrong. That shouldn't be that. I think I changed it. Frank and Smith. Oh, what am I doing? Hard coding values? It's mind slipping. So I better have a script when I do this. Let's see. You delete these by just clicking the X next to it. Let's delete that one too. Okay, try 2. Hopefully I get it right this time. What did I want that to be? F name. L name. And this would be H. Okay, forgot anything else. I think that's it. Let's run this. Famous last words. David Hayes 54. Click insert. Insert a record. Frank Smith 20. Click insert record. Okay. Come over here, expand these. David Hayes, that looks good and good. I have 2 separate records, and that's how you insert record into your database. Now, by the way, let's just change this. Let's put member 2 there. Now if I run this, oops, keep waiting for it to pop up. Sally Hayes 33. And click insert. And if I come over here, now I like to think these as tables. That's not quite their definition over here. But now you say I have member 2, and it has my record there. So that's how you can insert records into and out of the database. And again, I think of this as a table. I know that's not their official definition. See, I can do an add child here and do it manually. Okay, I'll go ahead and stop recording on that one.